Every day, we type passwords and bank details into websites. Somehow, that data travels across the internet without hackers reading it. How does that actually work? It all comes down to the difference between HTTP, HTTPS, SSL, and TLS. Most developers mix these up, but it is actually quite simple. HTTP is the foundation. It's how browsers talk to servers. But there is a huge problem. It is plain text, no encryption. If an attacker intercepts your traffic, they can see your passwords and messages. That is why HTTPS exists. It adds encryption on top of HTTP, transforming your data into scrambled ciphertext. Even if someone intercepts it, they won't be able to read it. But HTTPS relies on security protocols. That is where SSL and TLS come in. SSL is the old, outdated version. TLS is the modern, secure standard. Today, we use TLS, even if we still call the certificates SSL. The connection starts with a TLS handshake. It happens in milliseconds. The browser and server verify each other's identity using a digital certificate, like an ID card. The most brilliant part is the Diffie-Hellman algorithm. It allows both sides to create a shared encryption key without ever sending the key itself across the network. It's purely mathematical magic. Modern TLS also uses forward secrecy. The keys are temporary and disappear once the session ends. So, even if someone records your traffic today, they cannot decrypt it later. To wrap it up, HTTP handles communication, HTTPS adds the protection, and TLS is the engine making it secure. Now you know exactly what is happening behind that little padlock icon in your browser.